Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are here, I believe you are experiencing high CPU usage by Microsoft Language IME on your Windows computer. Here are some steps. So without further ado, let's get started. One way you can resolve this is by restarting your computer and see if the issue persists. Sometimes restarting your system can resolve high CPU usage issues. So if that doesn't work, let's try something else. The next will be let's try going to the search button here. Let's search for services. I click on the service menu, and the services pops up. Then what we need to do is to come over here and then look for touch keyboard service. Okay, that's it. Now we'll right click it, then we click on properties. So now here where we have a startup type, we need to click on the drop down. Then we click on the manual. Then over this service status, if it is running, you might want to consider stop clicking on the stop button here. Mine is already active, so then after that you could just click apply. Then okay. So I hope it was pretty straightforward. That's pretty much it. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for more content like this. Thank you and goodbye.